Hey there! Would you like to take some free classes this month? How about an opportunity to win a free upcoming class? If your answer was yes, keep listening because it's free February here at Cognomovement. If you have gone into a store recently, looked on social media, or received emails from your favorite brands, you may have noticed a subtle hint that it is the month of love. The month of February, especially that one little holiday right in the middle, focuses a lot on love and relationships. But a romantic relationship isn't the only one that matters, right? Here at Cognomovement, this month is about healing, repairing, and strengthening romantic, platonic, and familial relationships. So if I may, how are your relationships going? How is your relationship with your significant other? Is there a strain? Are you constantly bickering? Or would you just like to become a little closer and more in sync with each other? How is your relationship with your kids? Do you feel like there is a constant battle for respect? Do you feel like you're growing apart? Or would you like to have a little more understanding and patience between you? How is your relationship with your parents? Do you feel resentments? Do you have a toxic mother-in-law? Do you feel unheard or unappreciated? How is your relationship with yourself? Do you struggle with self-love? Would you like to gain more acceptance of yourself and more peace within? Is it something else? Whether your goal is to build up your existing relationships, mend a broken one, release tension and stress, or even create stronger friendships, these upcoming classes are for you. The first free event is the Relationship Fridays. These mini sessions held by our amazing Cognomovement practitioners will be focused around your relationship goals and can be viewed on our Cognomovement members community Facebook group. Can't make it to the live class? No worries. They are recorded on the Facebook group and can be replayed again at any time. The second free event this month is the Relationship Effect on February 12th. Relationships are all based on patterns between two people. Do you know where those patterns begin? Would you like to know where to find them and how to change them? Cognomovement has a profound effect on relationships of all kinds. Do you have a relationship that you would like to revolutionize? Are you looking for a relationship that fits your life perfectly? Join us for this 1-hour event to begin to rewire one of the relationships in your life. This might sound a little cheesy, but wait, there's more. We have one more upcoming class we would like you to know about and how to attend this $299 class for free. The Relationship Revolution is a full-day class held on March 5th. During this class, experience what a full day of Cognomovement and Cogno Quantum sessions can do to revolutionize your relationship. Here's what one Cognomover had to say. Cognomovement has definitely had a great impact on my life. Before Cognomovement, I was very reserved and gave off a closed vibration. I now speak to everybody that I encounter, and whether or not they say hello, it's okay. I now feel good within myself. I didn't know what learning to be emotionally available was until I found Cognomovement. My mom is now my best friend. I have 3 children and I am now showing them how to use it, and my house is so flowy right now. Another Cognomover said, after a Cognomovement session, my relationships, both personal and professional, have been 100% better. Now I can't imagine what my life would be like without being able to pick up the Cogno ball as soon as I have an issue that comes up and clear it within minutes. Alright, by now you get it, right? Cognomovement is great. So how can you get a chance to win the Relationship Revolution class for free? All you have to do is attend all of the Relationship Friday classes and comment how it helped you that week. Did you miss a class? No worries. Just watch the replay and comment and you still get a chance to win. Are you part of the Cognomovement members community? To get access, you just need the basic training video course or the equivalent and a Cogno ball. We all have relationships, whether it's at work, with our families, with our significant other, with friends, and even with our pets. Do you have a relationship that could use a tune-up or more depth? Join the Cognomovement team for all of the relationship events in February and March. We'll see you soon.